In this video, we're going to be looking at the RDX weightlifting straps, figure 8. These straps have a 3-layer stitching for additional resistance against wear and tear during the most intense workouts. If you're looking to lift heavy weight, these straps are definitely something you may want to consider. It will ease up on your wrist and your joint and allow you to lift more. Come in different colors, different sizes. We're going to put these through the test. Stay tuned for the whole video. All right, guys, so we're at the gym and we're going to show you how we use the figure 8 grips to help us lift more weights. So there's different types of things you could use. So we obviously have our gloves here. We also have wrist straps by RDX. But today we're gonna be doing a little more weight. So this is primarily for deadlifts. We didn't bring our belt, but I'm gonna show you how to do the figure 8 strap. All right, so these are the figure 8 straps. These are pretty hardcore and heavy duty. You can see, but the stitching is towards the inside, so it's not going to come loose and undone, and it's on both sides as well. So this is pretty thick. Now this is how to put them on. Okay, first you're gonna lay them out the inside seam. Like, this is the good part, so that's gonna go on the outside. You're going to slip your hand through the top like that. Now this is going to go on top of your bar, and then you're gonna slip your fingers through, and then you're going to do this, and then you're gonna grab, and there you go. So now, even if you let go, you can see that I'm really holding it with my pinky, but the strap is still doing its thing. So that is how to do it. All right, so we've got 180 plus bars, so that's about 200 pounds, and we're gonna go and try this. Lifting will be easier for us to lift weight. See that? It makes it much easier for me to pull. And then I just shimmy for out. And that's how to do it. You can see I'm not even holding it, and my arms are lifting the bar. So this way, if you want to do a lot more weight, you can. Right? Or you can do back, lifts, and pulls, and then to slip out, you just do that. All right, so one last piece of advice. Any workout gear should be washed thoroughly after you're done working out. You are definitely want to keep it clean, otherwise you may get fungus on your hands. I'm one of those people that if I don't clean my straps and they go around my wrist, I get fungus within like 4 days. You're gonna notice itching, it's gonna get red, you're gonna have little blisters. That's when you know you have fungus, and you need to stop wearing whatever it is that you were wearing a few days earlier that would have caused that, and wash that with proper disinfecting bacterial soap. So that's the last tip that I will give you before I head off. Definitely recommend getting this gear. The sweatsuit, I would have never actually thought that it was going to be as good as it is. So yeah, definitely recommend it. And all this stuff is definitely not as expensive as I initially thought, but I decided to take my workout seriously. So a small little investment. Having gear like this is going to speed up my workouts by at least 25%, which means I can devote that 25% in my personal life, my business life, whatever it is that may be. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next one.